Well, hello friends. I hope you are having an excellent day or an excellent evening wherever in the world you are. We are in Lanzarote, which is one of the Canary Islands. I couldn't film a lot since I came. I mean, I filmed, but I couldn't talk to you. So we are in a village. I think it's a village which calls Famara. So in case if you want to know what is nice to do in this village is surfing. It's very windy and I have been seeing a lot of surfers that they were almost everywhere. And we just had the dinner. And now we are heading to our van.
What you see is what I give you, Swanee. And one of my prayers, I have asked for a lighter load. Fortunately, instead, my mind just got stronger. I never dream of mother again. Sigmund says I'm fine. I dream of a friend. I never dream of Freud again. I never dream of Sigmund again. Mother says I'm fine. I dream of a friend. I never dream of Freud.
Good morning friends, it's our 6th day in Lanzarote Island. I'm sorry. As you see, it is our van. This morning, finally, I could wash my hair. It has been like 6 days I couldn't wash. I was using dry shampoo and I was at the beach and everything. Van life, this is a reality. So anyway, this morning we are not going to have our breakfast in our van. We have spotted a coffee shop in the little village in where we passed the night here. It's near the sea actually, and if we can find, also we will eat something for breakfast, and I will see you later. We have managed to find a place to have our breakfast, but before we had to wait because it was closed. It was too early to serve something for the clients. So meanwhile, we have been wandering around, and there was a cat came out and she insisted to follow us, and finally we realized that actually she was hungry. So we gave her a little bit cheese, some butter, some milk.
I will do everything I can for you.
She was so cute. It broke my heart each time when I found a cat on the street and I cannot take her or him with me. I feel a little bit down right now. I'm about to cry. c'est du poisson.
Sorte de cacra.
C'est joli, hein?
C'est super, on est plat là.
Ouais, je pense qu'on est plat. Ah, c'était très beau.
La porte.
Ouais.